Myself Sudha Malli, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are going to learn about leveling. The art of determining the relative heights of different points on or below the surface of the earth is known as leveling. The aim of leveling is to determine the relative heights of different objects on or below the surface of the earth and to determine the undulation of the ground surface. Then classifications of leveling. Simple leveling, differential leveling, fly leveling, check leveling, profile leveling, cross leveling, reciprocal leveling, precise leveling, trigonometrical leveling, then barometric leveling. Simple leveling. When the difference of level between 2 points is determined by setting the leveling instrument midway between the points, the process is called simple leveling. Suppose A and B are 2 points whose difference of level is to be determined. The level is set up at O, exactly midway between A and B. After proper temporary adjustment, the staff readings on A and B are taken. The difference of these readings given the difference of level between A and B. Differential leveling. Differential leveling is adopted when the points are a great distance apart. The difference of elevation between the points is large. There are obstacles between the points. This method is also known as compound leveling or continuous leveling. In this method, the level is set up at several suitable positions and staff readings are taken at all these points. Fly leveling. When differential leveling is done in order to connect a benchmark to the starting point of the alignment of any project, it's called fly leveling. It is also done to connect the benchmark to any intermediate point of the alignment for checking the accuracy of the work. In such leveling, only the backside and foresight readings are taken at every setup of the level and no distances are measured along the direction of leveling. The level should be set up just midway between the backside and the foresight. Check leveling. The fly leveling done at the end of day's work to connect the finishing point with the starting point on that particular day. It's known as check leveling. It is undertaken in order to check the accuracy of the days of work. Profile leveling or longitudinal leveling. The operation of taking levels along the central line of any alignment, that is road, railway and etc. at regular intervals is known as longitudinal leveling. In this operation, the backside, intermediate side and foresight readings are taken at regular intervals. At every setup of the instrument, the chain edges of the points are noted in the level book. This operation is undertaken in order to determine the undulations of the ground surface along the profile line. Cross-sectioning leveling. The operation of taking levels transverse to the direction of longitudinal leveling is known as cross-sectional leveling. The cross-sections are taken at regular intervals such as 20 meter, 40 meter, 50 meter and etc. along the alignment. Cross-sectional leveling is done in order to know the nature of the ground across the center line of any alignment. Next one is precise leveling. It is used for establishing benchmarks for future public use. It's carried out with high degree of accuracy using advanced instruments. Trigonometrical leveling. In this method, vertical distance between points are computed by observing horizontal distances and vertical angle between points. Barometric leveling. It is used for the phenomenon that differences in elevation between two points is proportional to the difference in atmospheric pressures at these points. A barometer, therefore, may be used and the readings observed at different points would yield a measure of the relative elevations of those points. Commonly in this method, the altitude difference is determined by means of a barometer. Then hypsometric leveling. The working of hypsometric for determining the elevation depends upon the fact that the temperature at which water boils varies with the atmospheric pressure. The boiling point of water reduces at higher altitude, thus knowing the boiling point of water. The atmospheric pressure can be calculated and knowing the atmospheric. Reciprocal leveling. This method is adopted accurately determine the difference of level between two points which are far apart. It is also used when it is not possible to set up level in midway between two points. Thank you.